Going to create one of these 4 video projects with audio so that you can understand how to do it, but they're all the same. So make sure that first you download each of the 4 videos that are attached. You're doing all 4 as separate projects. This is just one of them. So come up to the upper left-hand corner where it says New Project and click on that. Once you click on that, we do not have to select media from here. In fact, I don't recommend against it, but I recommend against it. In the project name, make sure you name it what it is. I'm going to do the Guardians of the Galaxy project. And I'm going to type that in. If you don't, it's going to tell you the untitled already exists. Come down to the bottom right-hand corner over here where it says Create. Click on that Create New Project. Once it creates this new project, we're going to import the media. So come down to the bottom left-hand corner over here where it says Import Media. And then it's going to give you access. Mine is in my downloads, I believe. Maybe desktop. Right there, Guardians of the Galaxy desktop. And I'm going to import that. You see it's on the bottom left-hand corner over here. Then you're going to click and drag it to the timeline over here. So you can see it's right there. Now we have music that's already associated with it. If I was going to play it, you could hear the music. So we're going to unlink that music. Right click on the actual timeline where your video or and audio is, and then we're going to scroll down to where it says unlink. If I go all the way down, you're going to see it's right up here. So just watch how far down. It's about maybe a third the way, I guess. And click unlink. Then you'll see that there's a white box around the top. Well, that's the video. We actually want to get rid of the audio. So you need to click on the audio down here and click on delete. Go ahead and do that and then move on to the next video.